This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Iris Leith. Beautiful glassed front door greets you to a spacious floor plan in this vintage yacht club home. A modern, highly updated bathroom will surprise you and make for comfortable living here. Great room opens to a large Florida room which overlooks a big backyard ready for your swimming pool. Florida room opens to a screened lanai on one side and open patio and storage shed on the other for easy access to backyard. Master bedroom comfortably accommodates a king-size bed, dresser and more, plus there is a wall of closet space. There's a big surprise for you with a modern, updated bathroom which is accessed from the hall for guests, as well as from the master bedroom. There, you will find a large step-in shower with frameless door, 4-wall jets, overhead shower head, and recessed shelf. Also, there is a private water closet and amp, beautiful double sink vanity. Inside laundry, auto sprinkler system and amp, garage workbench are present. The Cape Coral Yacht Club public beach, tennis courts, boat launch, fishing pier, swimming pool and Boathouse Restaurant are in walking or bike riding distance. Downtown Cape Coral with dining, shopping and amp, more are all within easy reach. Make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Iris Leith at 239-443-3160.